నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు 99 టీవీ న్యూస్ ఇక అప్డేట్స్ చూద్దాం పార్లమెంట్ సమావేశాలు సజావుగా సాగాలని సరిహద్దులో తమ ప్రాణాలకు తెగించి కాపలా కాస్తున్న సైనికులకు మనమంతా అండగా ఉన్నామన్న సందేశాన్ని ఈ సమావేశాల ద్వారా జాతికి పంపాల్సిన అవసరం ఎంతైనా ఉందని ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోదీ వ్యాఖ్యానించారు ముక్త కంఠంతో ఈ సమావేశాలు వారికి అండగా నిలుస్తాయని భావిస్తున్నారని మోదీ వ్యాఖ్యానించారు ఈ సమావేశాలు ప్రత్యేక పరిస్థితుల్లో జరుగుతున్నాయని అభివర్ణించిన నరేంద్ర మోదీ వ్యాక్సిన్ వచ్చేంత వరకు ప్రజలు అన్ని రకాలుగా జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాల్సిందేనని స్పష్టం చేశారు వైరస్ ప్రోటోకాల్లో ముఖ్యమైన మాస్క్ భౌతిక దూరం తప్పనిసరిని అది సాధారణ ప్రజలైనా పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యులైనా పాటించాల్సిందేనని నరేంద్ర మోదీ స్పష్టం చేశారు
समय से पहले ही रोकना पड़ा था। इस बार भी दिन में 2 बार, एक बार राज्यसभा एक बार लोकसभा, समय भी बदलना पड़ा है। सैटरडे संडे भी इस बार कैंसिल कर दिया गया है, लेकिन सभी सदस्यों ने इस बात को भी स्वीकार किया है, स्वागत किया है और कर्तव्य पथ पर आगे बढ़ने का फैसला किया है। इस सत्र में कई महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय होंगे, अनेक विषयों पर चर्चा होगी और हम सबका अनुभव है कि लोकसभा में जितनी ज़्यादा चर्चा होती है, जितनी गहन चर्चा होती है, जितनी विविधताओं से भरी चर्चा होती है, उतना सदन को भी, विषय वस्तु को भी और देश को भी बहुत लाभ होता है। इस बार भी उस महान परंपरा में हम सभी सांसद मिलकर के वैल्यू एडिशन करेंगे, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है। कोरोना से बनी जो परिस्थिति है उसमें जिन सतर्कताओं के विषय में सूचित किया गया है, उन सतर्कताओं का पालन हम सबको करना ही करना है। और ये भी साफ है, जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक कोई ढिलाई नहीं। हम चाहें कि बहुत ही जल्द से जल्द दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से वैक्सीन उपलब्ध हो, हमारे वैज्ञानिक जल्द से जल्द सफल हो और दुनिया में हर किसी को इस संकट में से बाहर निकालने में हम कामयाब हो। इस सदन की और भी एक विशेष जिम्मेवारी है और विशेष करके इस सत्र की विशेष जिम्मेवारी है। आज जब हमारी सेना के वीर जवान सीमा पर डटे हुए हैं, बड़ी हिम्मत के साथ, जज्बे के साथ, बुलंद हौसलों के साथ दुर्गम पहाड़ियों में डटे हुए हैं और कुछ समय के बाद बर्फ वर्षा भी शुरू होगी। जिस विश्वास के साथ वो खड़े हैं, मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए डटे हुए हैं, ये सदन भी, सदन के सभी सदस्य एक स्वर से, एक भाव से, एक भावना से, एक संकल्प से वो संदेश देंगे, सेना के जवानों के पीछे देश खड़ा है, संसद और सांसद सदस्यों के माध्यम से खड़ा है। पूरा सदन एक स्वर से देश के वीर जवानों के पीछे खड़ा है। ये बहुत ही मजबूत संदेश भी ये सदन देगा, सभी माननीय सदस्य देंगे, ऐसा मेरा पूरा विश्वास है।
Honorable Speaker, sir, I fully appreciate honorable members' concerns. Yes, we did come with a bill on 3rd March 2020, and subsequently an ordinance was passed because the session was not on to consider the bill, discuss the bill and then pass it. And why did the ordinance become a necessity? We were going through a pandemic and there was stress in several of the cooperative banks, and as a result of which it was felt that till we clear the bill, there shouldn't be a situation that many of the cooperative banks would suffer, and therefore we brought in an ordinance in the place with the essential features of the bill which was tabled in the House in March, and therefore the ordinance was necessitated and duly considered and given the consent by the Honorable President. But now, why are we coming for withdrawal of the bill? I'm very appreciative of, through you, of the honourable member raising this question, which is absolutely right. This will be a question which arises in the minds of the people, but now what we are bringing, after withdrawing that bill which came into the form of an ordinance, is essentially what the bill of March 2020 had, together with a few things added in, such as giving the Reserve Bank a chance to be able to restructure any distressed cooperative bank just in case they are in severe distress. And I can give you the data of the number of banks, cooperative banks, which are in distress, so that without putting them on a moratorium, all of us know, all honorable members know here, as to when a bank is put in a freeze, the customers. Till today, the memory of PMC, and even today the PMC issue is getting resolved. We do not want a situation where banks, because of being held in a frozen situation, customers are being put to a difficulty. And I wouldn't think it's out of place for me to here remind, through you, Honorable Speaker, to all the members, the way in which the Reserve Bank sorted the problem of Yes Bank. Will tell you how, within a short period, reconstruction of the bank was made possible. And that was because it was a commercial bank, whereas cooperative banks, unfortunately, don't have that, situation which can help them to quickly resolve. So what this bill, which we are bringing in the place...
For more updates, please subscribe 99 TV Telugu.